You are an aspirant targeting the SSC CGL 2026 exam, and you need to have a solid foundation and start from ground zero. Well, you have landed on the right spot. Oliveboard presents before you the SSC CGL 2026 complete foundation course right from the beginning, and I'll quickly take you through the course highlights. 300 plus live and recorded sessions which cover the complete aspect of the syllabus, from quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, English, general studies, general awareness, GK, GS, and computer knowledge as well. Everything under one roof. Apart from that, it is 100% aligned with the new SSC pattern. So everything which is new has been added here. So you don't have to go here and there for other topics now. Everything at one place, right? 275 plus practice tests. 275 plus include 125 plus mock test, 50 plus past year papers, and 100 typing tests, right? Everything under one umbrella. You will tell me, okay, these are the offerings, wonderful, but why Oliveboard? Why should I choose Oliveboard? Because it is one of India's largest test prep platforms, which is currently offering data-driven courses. So your preparation will be absolutely on track, absolutely based on performance-driven data. And it is also a proven track record of all the toppers, right? All AIR ones from the recent, all SSC examinations, they have all been churned out on the Oliveboard platform. 360-degree study kit revision. 360-degree study kit, one of the most unique things you will find in the market. It is a wonderful thing available for SSC aspirants. So just go through this once. It is a comprehensive revision plan. Apart from your preparation plan, it is parallelly also focusing on the revision of the students, quick revision, AI guided revision, and AI powered performance and tracking. So apart from revision, AI will also support you in your performance and tracking apart from your live mentors. So all this packaged in one single course. What are you waiting for? Quickly go ahead and join live. We are waiting for you in the live classes. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.